This is our all-electric military prototype UTV. I have to do a walk around video before this thing gets too dirty. Superpowers mobility, alpha prototype. This is an alpha. It's getting closer to production. When we get to beta, that's even closer production. And this thing is so simple. It is extremely reliable and it is dead silent. It's so quiet. You do not hear it. You do not smell it. It absolutely rips. Here's your drive, your neutral, reverse. That's your start. We're gonna label it. And these vehicles are about to go out to the West Coast for military demos. So I'm about to take this thing for a rip. We're gonna take it down on the trails and we're gonna see how the alpha prototype handles. All the wiring is way cleaner in this thing. You can see the wiring harness is exceptionally clean here. The high voltage cables are really clean. Low voltage power is clean. Charge port cables very clean. Everything here is closer to production level vehicle. So, and most importantly, something about electric vehicles is they're capable of power export silently. So yes, generators can export power, but they're really loud and they can only do a medium level of continuous power output. An electric vehicle like this can do really high levels of power in short bursts. So you could do something like 100 to 300 kilowatts of power from this battery pack for a short amount of time, or you could do a pretty high power output around 30 kilowatts for an extended period of time. That's just the nature of how fast batteries release energy. Let's take this thing out for a rip. This thing is rear wheel drive right now. I should probably put it in all wheel. This thing slides. Damn, this thing's nice. Let's throw it in all wheel. Let's see how it does. Damn! Damn! Dude, this thing would have been a weapon in GNCC. Drive, it just sticks. power steering. All right, let's see if I can get it back on if I shut it. All-wheel drive, put it in drive. Of course, we gotta try the nice big hill climb, invert. High gear, all-wheel drive. See how easy it is to hop up this hill. Pretty effortless. Stop this one right here. This one's next. Look, this is my mobile charger. Look at that. It's threading the needle. Per second. This one's right under 450, so we'll take this out for a rip next. The original, the proof of concept. Let's see if I always forget. Close the charge port. All right. I'll come back and I'll check on that very soon. I might do like one lap. I'll come check on that. We'll see how this thing handles compared to that one, all right? we got to throw it in all wheel. No, we'll throw it in the rear wheel. Oh yeah, my front diff has an issue. This one's for higher speeds.